Look at me buying my first thing of makeup. I have no clue what to get. I'm guessing maybe I'm like here. Like, right? That looks, I mean, like it's, the light is like messing it up, but I swear to goodness, I'm around here. Maybe here. Oh my gosh, I'm about to watch a video in the middle of the store. I don't know what to pick. My daughter's like having fun. So BB cream. Is that like the one before CC cream? I've seen CC cream. I don't know. Yes, I actually did it. I was able to actually get a lot. Maybelline color palette. Blush. I had to like read that. I know what this is, so fingernail polish remover. I actually got, you know, I haven't done my nails in, I think 5 years. I know. I already act like an old woman. I got that. Sally Hansen, because why not? The lip liner. Tell me if you guys know this. If you know this brand, Wet n Wild. I have no idea. I've never heard of them. I almost didn't get it, but I was like, why not? Wet n Wild again. We have eyebrow gel and powder. This thing. What is this? There it is. It just says powder. Cold pressed powder. Or something like that. Mineral pressed powder. I have brush. I was watching some YouTube videos and I was like, there's a lot of brushes that people seem to be using. We have brush after brush after brush. And this is, I guess, a brush too. I got e.l.f. because I don't know. All of this stuff I got from Walmart. Pure and Gentle makeup remover wipes because I have to get off somehow. We have Jet Inline. Like, what is this? Like a gel, a liquid liner, eyeliner. See guys, like, I don't know, like, we can go through this together. If you don't know, that's okay. Like, I don't know either. We'll get through this. We'll figure this out. We will learn together. We will not know together, and then we'll learn, and then we'll know together.